Paul ni cheese to ko hi. Paul, asha na khan to.
No. Can I try?
Paul hen to ha.
Paul, can
Paul.
I try? It's whose turn? Oh! Almost. Wow, you actually did it, Paul. Great job. High five.
Cheese to ko hi. It's all pin cheese to right here. Okay.
Like this one.
I know ma.
I like to hold it. Hold it.
Pom hok thokon rewli.
Nah. Bum. Mr. A total takli. Nunu car cheese. Mr. Ketchup atoli. Mr. Artui. Mr. A total takli. Tino no. A total takli. Me turn. But no, okay, this way. It's my turn, okay? Because I didn't have a turn. No, me turn, okay? Oh, I didn't have a turn, okay? Just listen. You already had a turn before him. Mama.
Hoy.
I'm turn.
Mai kha to Paul ni tole Paul chang aksibik sa Paul ni tol kha chana mana to vele ke.
Who hold it? Who hold it? Me. I hold it. Who hold it? Hey, no bone too. No, it was already there. Don't blame me. It was already there. I know I'm talking to Paul. Gee. My turn. Do it harder. James. Give it to Esther now. And then if you give it to Esther, then you get a longer turn.
Good boy.
Ooh.
Filming.
This is so big, bam,
Che as ni
bam.
to lak sikhe. Yes,
That's
it's
a
here.
monster. That's a monster. Smells like cheddar cheese. Yeah. It's not. That one's cheddar cheese. It smells good. I see. Want to share that one? You can do that. Paul, you can do that one. Do that one. Oh. Me and Paul will do it after he's done. Okay. Now can I try? Okay. Japo ang hinito. It's autumn and children in the middle. You can
Kha cheese ni to khodang ma as.
don't go down. He called new has cheddar. Cheddar cheese.
Khoi nan to che me kha.
Wow.
Wow.
He cut
What the
cheddar cheese. Cut he shame big monsieur. Mit he cut hallo he pun si. Mit dem her monsieur. Original cheese.
Cheese to mo as.
Cheese gadulo. Cheese
Kan
ka atumta. Tour he.
Paul. Hani to nang. To to hin.
On the tiny feet. I can't touch it.
Kha. Ulpi ni artui khlau lak sko hi. Ulpi hani to artui mana khlau. Mithai nang ta hani to. Hani to. Hi cha hi se. Hello ta hi se. Hello ta hi se. Kha. Estani cheese kwilen ko hi ko. Ulpi nang ta hani to artui mana khlau. Paul ni to du ve kha ka to sape.
Help me.
Ve ka to sape na kha.
Sprinkle the bread. Sprinkle that. Okay, thank you. Not too much. Not too much. Look. Okay. So you do that. Do that. You take this one. Just the pick. Okay. Don't eat or not. Just come on. See? Sprinkle a little.
Mana dapat teh.
You got
Esta hapol ni cheese crispin karan tua panghukan rew le. Cheese. Pa. No pate.
Want some teeth? Want some teeth? Not too much. Not too much. Joma. And Joma. Helping you. It's something too. And don't go there. Make sure you don't touch the hamburger. The ketchup, okay?
Okay.
Close.
Panghukan rew le.
1, 2.
Es. Hay na tua.
Article close. Sean,
Salta
eat it one time. Not the good dumb really low. Sean, eat
dumb
it
really low
one
din.
time. Oh, the dumb really low. She ate this one time. Sean, eat that. Sean, eat that one time. He puts secret in how.
Okay. Pol ni article ko ni. Pa. Hay na tua. Ha?
Okay.
Oh. Tetap saya ring. Kak nak potong ha. Ateng kak article. Oh. Okay.
It's like your hair.
Kak.
Go.
Siam ning eh pon.
No, you mix it.
Nama tu kau.
No, you do it. Esther, do you know if this works on real hair? What? Does it work on real hair? Yes, he has smooth hair.
Pinhin pirai ni. Kan upa ni pun pirai. Asal tetap ni. Paul nang tahan itu Paul. Alam ray es makas alam ray.
Hello.
Ouch.
I got nothing.
Pit dang ray ki es ni.
I'll test it out, alright.
Pit dang ray masakit kan ray lu tangki. Ton. Tadi kan ray lu tang. Cuk.
Esther, why did you have to spray your body doll? So it stays how open? In place more of water. Was it water? No. Was it water? Yeah, you just had to spray water.
Rest him.
That's what the instructions say. So was it like empty at first? 1, 2, 3, 4. We going on a trip on a favorite rocket ship. Little livestock, we're on our favorite rocket, zooming through the sky. 1, 2, I love it. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go on a trip on our favorite rocket,
Hei.
zooming through the sky. Little
Kasihin.
livestock,
Kasihin.